In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva newsletters in Mailchimp. If you've ever wanted to combine the creative flair of Canva's design tools with Mailchimp's powerful email marketing platform, you're in the right place. Let's take this journey together and make your emails as aesthetically appealing as they are effective. First, let's dive into connecting your Canva and Mailchimp accounts. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate over to the Integrations tab. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but for this purpose, we are going to focus on integrating Canva. Give that a click. You should see a button labeled Connect. By clicking this, you'll be prompted to grant the necessary permissions that will allow Mailchimp to access your Canva files. It's crucial to give these permissions so that the two platforms can communicate seamlessly. If you find yourself without a Canva account, don't worry. This process will prompt you to create one. It's a quick detour that will set you up for success. Once that connection is established, the magic begins as your Canva designs start syncing to Mailchimp. Now, let's take a closer look at how to utilize these newly synced designs within your Mailchimp emails. When you're in the process of creating or editing an email in Mailchimp, head to the Content Studio. This is where you'll select or drag in an image block. The next step is to switch your focus to the Canva tab within this area. Sometimes you might not see your latest creations immediately. If that's the case, don't fret. Simply click on the Refresh Thumbnails button. This nifty feature ensures that your most recent designs are pulled in and ready for use. Now comes the exciting part: choosing which Canva design or designs to insert into your email. You have the freedom to select any of the synced designs that align with your email's theme or message. Once you've made your selection, click on Sync and Insert. This action will integrate your chosen Canva creation directly into your email. The beauty of this feature is that it elevates your emails from standard communications to engaging, visually striking newsletters that capture attention and promote engagement. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to bring the artistic capabilities of Canva into the dynamic environment of Mailchimp emails. By following these steps, you'll be able to craft emails that are not only informative but also visually compelling, potentially boosting your audience's response rate. I hope you found this explanation clear and helpful. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing in your email campaigns.